Alrighty, flying a new location and oh shit. Okay, everything's fine. Drone's a little scuffed. Kind of cut off a part of my pants. I'm okay. Okay, everything's cool. Okay, we're checking out this new location. Off to a little rocky start, but everything's fine. Man, check all the places to fly around here. So many cool little spaces. I have got to come back here later. Ooh, man, I'm getting signals through the building. Nice. Hope they don't mind me passing through their little outdoor eatery area. Man, look at all the fine places to fly around here. So pretty. All right, let's take her up, see how the old sun's doing. Morning has risen, and so has my love of flying. Ooh, look at this place. Gorgeous. This is definitely the magic hour, baby. And I'm feeling magical, like I got magic fingers in this. As long as I don't run into anything, it's fine. Oh, you know what? I gotta fly through that. Here we go. No. Okay, maybe not that one. I'll fly through that one. Okay, it'll be fine. It's close enough. It's very similar. Whoosh. Yeah, you like that? Not too bad. Not great. It's passable. Very passable. Ooh, look at these sidewalks. Pretty. Oh, out in the weeds. Parked. Slightly torn pants. It's fine. They didn't get any skin. Okay, flying through here. Oh, man, what a place. When I get my hands on a little high definition whoop, I am going to be whooping this up. All right. Got to go through the eatery again. I love this path. I'm not too sure they let me fly through here, but then again, they aren't here, so it's fine. There's nobody here right now. I got this place all to myself. Man, what a gorgeous place. Oh, I'm going to fly through that fence. Let's bring her back around. Wait a second. Oh, nope, those are definitely metal cables. Oh, yeah, there's metal cables. Oh, it's a good thing I didn't fly through that part of the fence. That was a net. That was a net to catch stupid drone pilots right there. All right, let's go check out the friendly-ish skies. Whoa, look beautiful. Ooh, and air conditioning units. And a lovely sun. Oh, birds flying around. Check that out. Man, it's like cinematic. Holy crap. Whoa, hey, dude, birds, man, birds. Yeah, that's amazing. I know there's birds all over the place, but you know what? That's freaking awesome. You know what? I can't do any better than that. I cannot do any better than that. I am landing it. The birds, that's the top of my morning. The birds did it. All right. Good night. Good morning. Bye, ladies and gentlemen.